Want to take a scenic detour? Spontaneous route planning is easier than ever with the new 3D navigation view on your infotainment screen. Discover interesting point of interest on the map, such as restaurants, charging stations, and public services with just a couple of taps. Once selected, a new route is instantly calculated for a seamless and unforgettable family trip. With the ŠKODA OCTAVIA's intuitive navigation features, all you have to do is tap the search icon and enter your destination until it comes up. Tap it and explore your destination in 3D, as well as zooming in and out with the touch slider. Press Start and you're on the road. Sliding the tab on the right edge of your screen will allow you to inspect your route, where you can avoid traffic jams and roadworks, simply by tapping on it and pressing Avoid. To return back to Map View, tap the map icon. In Map View, you can turn the navigation voice volume up and down, as well as select the day, night, or automatic mode. To set up your preferred points of interest, tap the map, then Settings, then Basic Functions, then Define Preferred POI categories. Now tap to select the ones you're interested in. Go back to the map and tap Search Destinations. When you start to search for your destination, your preferred points of interest will automatically appear above the keyboard. For example, when tapping Charging Station, the system will automatically look for and display all charging stations nearby. When you tap the closest one, the system will set a route to it. To set up your home address, tap Destination, then in your Favorites tab, tap Home. Define it by tapping Change or using one of your last entered destinations. Tap Save and your home address is set. Tap Work in your Favorites tab and enter your business address in the same way. Then just tap Save and your business address is set. New navigation system. Another clever feature to make your life more comfortable.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.